Guys, I'm Jasmeet, and in this video we are going to discuss how can you set password expiration time or password age in WordPress. So here we are on the test website, and the plugin that we will be using for this tutorial is the Solid Security Pro. Now I have left a link to this plugin in the description box below. Now, as I have mentioned in my previous videos as well, this is the plugin that we use on most of our websites. On certain sites we use the free version, on others we are using the pro version. On this test website we have the pro version already installed and configured, and that is why you are seeing the security options right here and the security option right here. Okay, now to set the password expiration in your WordPress website, what you will have to do here is you will have to first click the security option right here in the WordPress admin sidebar. Okay, this is the security option that you will have to click, and on clicking it will show you this settings option. Right, you can see this is the settings option. You will have to click this option as well. Now this will take you to this global settings dashboard, and you will see a bunch of options on the left. Right here you are required to click user groups. Now remember, these are all of the user groups that you have on your WordPress website, and all of the settings that you see here are exactly the same. Now to set the password expiration, what you will have to do here is you will have to scroll down on any of the on any of the users group where you want to have this feature enabled. You will have to scroll down. So for example, I am the contributors right now. I'll show you in every user group as well. So for right now we are in the contributors tab, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down till I come across this password requirements option. Right, you can see the password requirements, and here you see the password age option. Okay, what you will have to do here is you will have to click this option to enable it, and in the next step what you will have to do is click save. Now if you want to enable the same feature for the administrators, what you will have to do is go to the administrators tab, scroll down, click this option under the password requirements, save. Similarly for editors, enable and save. Authors, enable, save. Subscribers, enable, save. And everybody else, enable and save. Now it is up to you for which user group you want to enable this option. Personally speaking, you should be activating this option for almost all users group that are making some sort of a change to your website. Okay, now once you have basically activated this password age option, what you will have to do here is you will have to click this features tab on the left. Right, you will have to go here, and it will take you to the login security option. Now here what you are required to do is you are required to scroll down till you come across this password requirements drop down or the password requirements option. Okay, here you need to click this drop down, and it will show you the password age. Okay, now as I was writing this tutorial as well, if you have been following me, then you know that I have a blog where I publish tutorials as well. So I was publishing it, and while doing it, what I did was I changed the maximum password age to 60. Now if you are using the Solid Security Pro plugin, then you will see the default value as 120. Now it is up to you if you want to increase the value or decrease the value. Personally speaking, we use 30, 45, 60. That's it. 60 is the maximum that we use. We do not go up till 90 as well. So what you will have to do here is you will have to just enter the value in this box. So for example, I will type in 30 and I will click save, and that's it. Within the 30-day period, once the 30-day period is complete, the user on your website will get that notification to that the password has expired, and that they will have to reset the password and use a new password. Now another connected thing to this is the user security. If you want a user to basically force change their password, right, there is this option that you get in the Solid Security plugin, and that option you will come across in the user security. So you will have to go here. Right, this is this user security option. You will have to click this option, and it will show you the user on your website, right? All of the users registered will be right here. In the next step, what you will have to do is click this edit user option, and it will show the user to and it will show you the option to force reset the password. Now I will create a detailed video on this topic where I will show you what happens when you click this option. Okay, so for that you will have to subscribe. Until now, this is the tutorial for you. This is how you basically set the password age or set the password expiration time on your WordPress website. Again, we have used the Solid Security Pro plugin for this. A link to it is in the description box below. Now in case you have any queries related to this tutorial, feel free to comment down below and I will definitely help you out and answer all of your questions. Okay, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you found this tutorial helpful.